In this video, I want to talk to you about person-to-person networking techniques objectives. This is, again, continuing in our series on the benefits and techniques you should follow when you're interacting with someone professionally with the intention of creating connections or networking. Okay, so to start with, what are you trying to achieve? Well, you want to communicate to this person who you meet, this new connection, what you want. And this is in terms of career development, what you want career-wise, why you want it, right? This is a part of you that you want them to understand, and what you've done to get it. So what you want, why you want it, and what you've done to get it. What you've done to get it is the complete array of credentials that you've acquired. That is degrees, credentialing or certification, experience, exposure, that type of thing, or just general knowledge acquired through self-study, that type of thing. So again, if somebody understands what you want, that is the first step for them to be able to help you, right? They can begin to identify things that they know about that may be of interest to you. Knowing why you want it, people gravitate towards each other based upon their perception of fit, right? And fit is based upon the idea that you understand somebody well, and that other person understands you well, and that you can identify the commonalities between you. And those are generally commonalities based upon interests, values, and beliefs. We talk about this a great deal in other videos. But with that being said, to the extent that somebody does recognize some level of fit with you, right? To the extent they are willing to entertain, right, your ideas, your thoughts, that type of thing. Knowing what you want career-wise helps them understand you. It is one of those elements of fit, right, that they believe, once again, that they know who they're dealing with as a person. So, and then once they know this, right, knowing what you've done to get it, your credentials, things like that, helps them estimate or understand the extent to which you are qualified for given positions, and it can also give them confidence to the extent they are willing to extend their own name to vouch or serve as a reference for you for particular positions and things like that. So once again, those are the three things. What you want, why you want it, and what you've done to get it. Now, other people help people, right? You help other people. We all help other people for different reasons. Okay, you've probably heard that old saying that 100% of everything we do is selfish. Well, to a certain extent, that is accurate, right? We do things because, one, we want to do it, or it has some effect that we desire, and that desired effect offers some level of contentness or something like that. But generally, the reason people help others, you can break down into these three subcategories. Simply self-satisfaction, right? It makes me feel good to help someone else. I recognize myself in you. I recognize in you someone who's dear to me, that type of thing. So once again, just there's a level of personal satisfaction there that goes with helping you for whatever reason. All right. Next, self-aggrandizement, right? It makes me look big. It makes me feel more important. It makes me, that type of thing. So with that being said, to the extent that that's something I desire, to the extent that I need to be the center of attention, to the extent that I need to feel important, right? And this is a more common characteristic or attribute than you would realize. Most of us have some element of narcissism in us, right? So that being said, self-aggrandizement is another reason. And then obtaining value, right? I help you because it will help me. Whether it helps me directly with you, right, to garner some type of emotional debt, monetary debt, whatever from you, just to receive some level of value from you in terms of your work product or effort, or to have somebody else owe me a favor because I've referred you. Any of these would qualify. So again, obtaining value there. And we talk about in different videos about how you can go about addressing people who have different levels of or needs or reasons for helping you, right? For example, a person who seeks self-aggrandizement, if you are going to seek that person's help, you have to build them up a great deal. If you can build them up or put them on a pedestal type thing, they're not going to want to fall down or let you down in that way. So to stay up on that pedestal, they're going to help you, that type of thing. Personal satisfaction, you have to be able to relate to the person in a way that helping you causes them that personal satisfaction or obtaining value. Once again, you have to present yourself as a value proposition in a way where they recognize it and they say, okay, this is just part of a process by which I can gain value. Okay, so anyway, if you can position yourself in any of those scenarios, it can be, once again, extremely valuable to you as part of the process. Now, as for specific techniques, we are going to talk about in a series of videos on one-on-one networking, how you go about breaking the ice, how you go about creating rapport with someone, the mutual exchange or reciprocal exchange of information that takes place during the one-on-one conversation or networking process, right? How you close out the interaction with someone, that is, you simply say goodbye and then following up with them afterwards. Okay, so once again, we'll address these in differing videos, but this is the technique or steps in the process that we will address.